So I just had a little bit of coffee and I'm geeked up, but XRP just hit $3 and tapped it and retraced, but no one's talking about this move on the chart. I'm about to show it to y'all because this may be it. This may be the big one. So I'm looking at the charts on XRP. It's sitting around 306, kind of 305. You can see my levels right here. I got some support and then I got some resistance where that red is. And then this was the week's high. Here's the reason why. XRP is trading around 306, modestly up on the day on the chart. XRP recently broke 3.10. That was near resistance, y'all. Now around that 310 mark, that was around here. Support lies around 287. So I do see some support if you want to take it down to probably about around here. That's where I definitely see some support. See some big volume came in right there. And then here's some support line. And I got the support already marked on my TradingView chart around here. So that's where I see the support. But you can see this big spike right here. Now, if it comes back down, you already know it should bounce off support. But I believe, y'all, it's going to continue. And it's going to continue up. And it's going to try to tack on this resistance around 337. Now, once it clears over there, clear skies ahead, I do believe this is going to be a $6 pretty soon. So you might want to get in it. It's not too late. As you can see, it probably could form a triangle right here of a flag and probably bounce right there. And that would be another entry if you missed it. So you're looking at another entry. You may still be able to get it. Now, here's some key news points I want to point out to you. The first U.S. listed XRP ETF launched with record volume, but some profit taking weighed on that price. XRP is benefiting from a broader market risk flows with the U.S. and political uncertainty, government shutdown risk, pushing crypto a little bit higher. As you notice, when the government shut down, I don't know if you noticed, but you saw crypto kind of went up pretty huge. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. And as you can see, Bitcoin, what did it do? It rose. So the government shutdown is not really scaring crypto right now. Let's look back at XRP and see, and it did the same thing. It rose. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can see right around here. A lot of heavy volume right here coming in. And these are good candlesticks. These are the kind of candlesticks you want to look for. You don't want to look for no small green candles like these ones. No. I want some big candlesticks because I know it's trying to push. And right here, you can see the resistance, y'all, and it has crossed into that red. So it's go time. If it breaks this resistance, hey, we're on to the next level. That's going to be very happy for a lot of y'all that's been holding XRP. I'm not sure where y'all bought in at, but you can put in the comments where you got in, and I'll love to see if you got XRP like huge when it was way, let's go back. Let's shrink this so y'all can kind of see if you're now just looking when it was down here around the 63 cent. I don't know if y'all have made it and got XRP, but right around that time. But if you did, hey, that's amazing. But as you can see, if you look at this chart right here, it goes up and then kind of comes down, forms a flag. I can draw it right here if you want to see it. Let's start right here and let's go down there. And then let's start here. Go there. My drawing's not too good. I'm just doing this real quick, y'all. So now that I got that flag, you can see kind of where it kind of bounced and then it bounced up. But always draw, you could take this chart and draw on it and then use these as point of entries and point of exits. Now, when I look here, if I was to do the same, let's stretch this out a little bit and move it. Oh, whoops, the tool going crazy. All right, so let me move that back there, and then I'm going to grab this and just move this out the way. I'm going to take this and use it. I'm not going to waste no time trying to create another one. Then I'm going to just move this over here so you can see. Now, let's slant this down right here, and then slant this up so it can make sense. Now I'm going to take another one. I'm going to draw my line right. Let's go down right there. And then I'll take one more. And here it is, y'all. It's closing in. It's definitely closing in. So if it does go back down, I'm looking for an entry right here. And then if it doesn't, hey, we're on to this next high right here. One thing that I do want to point out, XRP has cleared resistance around that 310. If that holds, the bulls aim for 330. So we could get all the way up to possibly around here for that mark. And that's where I do see it going. Now, support, I'm going to give you one more time. If this mark, I could draw right here. Yep. So that's kind of where the support is. So you want to watch that. But overall, XRP is looking good. This may be the squeeze that you need that's going to take us to the top, because I do believe XRP is going to be a $6 stock. If otherwise you have other information, then please comment below. Let me know. I love to hear your thoughts. I definitely want to know where you bought XRP in. And are you holding or are you day trading this thing? Or are you just swing trading or scalping? I definitely want to know that. But I love this stock. I'm in it and I love just updating y'all on this stock. Before I end this video, I do want to show you Chart Assassin's Pro. So it's available right now in the GPT store. If you got Chat GPT, make sure you go over to it. I'll put the link down below, but let's put in XRP, y'all. Let's type in XRP. Watch how fast that it brings you all this information about XRP. And it's going to hit. And this is a GPT that I trained. It gives you the chart. But down here, it tells you a great picture of what XRP is doing. Now, if I need a play, all I got to do is say XRP play. Now, look what it fired back, y'all. XRP, it got the bias. It got bullish, green, bearish, and the red if it falls below 270. Now, look, it also gives you a swing play setup. Right here, it got your entry zones. It got your stop loss. It got the targets. T1 340, T2 395. Now, this is how I'm winning when I'm trading, y'all. This information spits out this quick, the risk reward. You got your swing. The mode is swing 3 to 14 days. And then it has some other news at the bottom that may be interesting to you. But this is amazing. Chat GPT, all you got to go to GPTs and look for Chart Assassins. Chart Assassins, you'll see it. Now, one of the best things to unlock all the full features of this is in my gold room. So I'm going to have that link down there. If you jump into Discord, you get access as a gold member to this GPT and get to use it anytime. And it also spits out alerts on stocks that are going up and stocks that where you need to focus on. So it saves you a lot of time if you're trading. But Chart Assassins is my GPT that I created. It took me some time to make it, but I made sure that it was foolproof. So make sure you check it out. And if this video, if you learned something, anything, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you on that next video where I'm going to reveal a stock that you need to get into. And it is a crypto.